Hi everybody, this is Olivia ko. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up sign and the notification bell. Today, today pa rin, the same day pa rin as my other video. But today, now, I'm going, kumukulog-kulog kaya medyo maingay sa labas because it's raining here. And today, I'm going to show you what we bought naman sa bakery ng Grand Hyatt Hotel. Yan. Let's see. Parang siguro masarap naman siya kasi yan yung kinain namin ng breakfast. Sa tingin ko pareho naman. So, we bought and medyo okay naman yung price. Parang the same naman sa mga binibenta outside. So, tinry namin yung mga breads niya. Usually, yung binili namin is croissant, aupan, aupan, yung chocolate na croissant, and yung sausage na croissant din. Ano pa ba? Danish. Yan yung gusto ng husband ko, Danish. We bought the mango Danish. Okay, I'll show you. Ang lalagyan, yan yung paper bag. And let's look at it. Okay. Eto, may supot siya. Ano kaya yung nasa supot? And may, yung resibo. And, ayun, nakabox siya. Ang ganda ng packaging ng bakery ng Grand Hyatt. O yan, go Grand! Okay, let's remove it from there. Let's open it. Ayan, tingnan mo. Meron pa siyang ganon. Ito. Ayan, double check. Go Grand! Meron maingay sa taas. Ito po. Bale, unboxing. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Shh. Let's see. Ayan na. Croissant, open, and Danish mango. Yan yung binili namin. Key driving. Yan yung binili namin. Yan. Ito favorite ng husband ko. Ito akin. Ito may chocolate. Favorite ko yan, yung chocolate. Yan siguro sa husband ko din. Tapos yung sausage. Yeah! Okay, sara natin uli. I hope you enjoyed the bread haul, and hope to see you next time. God bless us all. Bye-bye! Love you all. Mwah! Bye-bye!